Since you're a game designer, I'll ask you some questions that keep me up at night. In game design, what's the secret behind difficulty balancing?
So for shooter games, what you have is time to kill, engagement range, and the movement. These three parameters with different values will actually provide you totally different games. So you have Call of Duty and you have The Division, for example. Division at its core is a shooter game, and Call of Duty is a first-person shooter game. But in the end, you have a completely different rhythm to the gameplay of these two games. Same applies for PUBG versus Call of Duty. When you go for any sort of game, similar to the question before making a game, what's the first thing we must learn? We need to answer the same question again. What are we aiming for? Are we aiming for a specific game that is purely based on long-range weapons, like Sniper Elite, for example? Or are we going for very short time to kills with very high levels of high-octane gameplay with enjoyment, more like a casino games, just light things going blaring at you, and that sort of evolves the question into what are we expecting from a shooter game at its core. Basically, what we are going for with PUBG versus Call of Duty is the difference of the rhythm, the gameplay. The rhythm comes from multiple things, time to kill plus the movement. And on top of these, sometimes with Call of Duty's Warzone, for example, you have the Battle Royale gameplay, but the multiplayer and the Battle Royale gameplay time to kills are completely different. And they are in the same title, Call of Duty. Warzone and multiplayer Call of Duty have a completely different time to kill setting for both of them. So Warzone time to kills are actually closer to PUBG time to kills, because when someone invests a lot of time into a match, they don't want to lose it by just a simple mistake. That sort of comes from the rhythm of the gameplay, the engagements that you're choosing to take, and all of those things combined. In Call of Duty, again, you have much faster movement compared to PUBG, but again, in multiplayer, it is a different rhythm because you're able to cover like half of the map in like 5 seconds sometimes. But in a Battle Royale game, that's never ever the case. You don't want players to cover large distances, so but on foot. So you give them cars, and the cars create a lot of noise, and that opens up new engagement ranges for the game. All of those things combined, they completely divide the genre of the game.